All right, question 27. It says here the figure below shows a rectangle ABCD, which is made up of three identical rectangles. The area of rectangle ABCD is 54 centimeter square. The length and the breadth of the rectangles are whole numbers. Find the perimeter of rectangle ABCD. All right, so you can see there's three identical triangles over here. So what we can do is we can just list out, right? So we have the here, so we have the length, right? All right. Okay, but at the same time, we also know that this is the length as well. That's what I see over here, right? So this is length, and then we also know that this is the length. That means this is the other side is the breadth. We have one here and one here, and then that's length. This is breadth. Okay, so you have two breadth over here. So what does this mean? Okay, so this means that one length is equal to two breadth, right? So let one breadth be 1 unit. So that means one length is equal to 1 unit, and then two breadth one length is equal to 2 times 1 unit, which is equal to 2 units, and then one breadth is equal to 1 unit. Okay, pretty straightforward. Okay, so from here, that means we have one length over here. Okay, so this is length. So I'm gonna put here as length as bracket 2 units, and then breadth is 1 unit. So I'm gonna make it smaller so that at least I can make it everything fit in nicely. Okay, so one breadth over here, which is 1 unit. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy and paste. So this is one breadth. Okay, this is one breadth. This is one length. This is one length as well, like this. Then this is one length as well. Okay, I think you can see the pattern, right? So I'm gonna put arrow over here. So this is one breath. Okay, one breath. And then at the same time, I'm gonna put it here as well. One breath at the bottom. All right. So you can see here we have 54 centimeters square. And then so in this case, the whole breadth and length. Bleh. So basically AB is equal to DC, right? In this case, which is equal to which is also equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3 units. So this is the, I will say, rectangle length. Okay, so I know this one. Okay, so rectangle length and then rectangle breadth is equal to 1 plus, okay, 2 units 2 units. Okay, so that means rectangle area is equal to 54, which is also equal to 2 units times 3 units, right? So guess and check. Guess and check. So I will say what if 1 unit is 3, that means in this case over here, that means, let's see, for this rectangle length and the breadth is 3, then 2 times, just bracket 2 times 3, okay, times 3 bracket, no, 3 times, I'll just put a bracket, 3 times 3, okay. I'm gonna just, you can guess lah, right? So 6 times 9, which is 54. So that means, right? So can I make this smaller? Okay, yes, I can. So that means 1 unit is 3. Yay! Okay, so from here, find the parameter. So we know the rectangular breadth and rectangular length. So parameter, rectangle parameter, okay, is equal to, so 2 units plus 3 units plus 2 units plus 3 units is equal to 10 units, right? So 2 plus 3 is 5, just times 2. And then from there, I think I just put like this. Okay, guess I check, right? If 1 unit is 3 dot dot dot, okay, then yeah, 10 units. So in this case, 10 units is equal to 10 times 3 is equal to 30 centimeters. There you go. So the answer to this is, 30 centimeters. Right, this is a tough one, but yeah, it's good to practice these kind of questions, I would say.